This is my video presentation for my PLTW summer workshop on the activity of building a beanstalk. I'm going to show you what I used for my activity. The items I got around my house were some Q-tips, tape, and then I also used a candle to make my beanstalk. This is what my beanstalk looks like. So I taped Q-tips together. I use a candle. My sister works at Bath & Body Works, and my fiance loves candles, so naturally between the two of them I have 800 candles in my house, so I don't think anybody will mind this candle being used. I took a screwdriver and basically poked a hole in it to basically make the base for the Q-tips, and then I just taped them up. And obviously as the higher I got, I used 6 Q-tips, the higher up I got, the more it started to lean. So I did draw a diagram of mine too. My group I was working with, we decided our unit of measurement was going to be just a pencil. So I just used a pencil here. And initially, when I measured, I just did it like this, and it was standing up tall. It was originally standing up taller, and then it's kind of every time I touch it, it gets more droopy. So anyway, and I did not count the base, because I figured the beanstalk starts right here in the candle. And again, the candle is just used to kind of hold it up. So anyway, obviously my design flaws would be it's not sturdy. So if anybody would try to climb it in real life, it'd probably be disastrous for them. And strengths, I mean, if I could get it more sturdy, it would be able to go up high. In terms of measurement, it came out, oh, there goes, a little bit better. It came up 1 3/4 of a tall, sorry, cats throw me off. So anyway, but yeah, so basically, yeah, the, you know, it's holding in, the base is holding in real well, and if I can get it to be sturdy enough, it stands up tall. So I got some good height on it for the most part. But other than that, the sturdiness obviously is a big issue with my design. So if I were to have to improve it, I would say maybe a better base. I would maybe line up my Q-tips a little bit better. If you notice, my taping's very inconsistent, and where exactly I'm taping them on the Q-tips is a little messed up. So obviously just from things I could work on. So that's it. That's my beanstalk. Thank you.